Hello everyone, welcome back with the fifth and last the final puzzle, a tectonic, aka Suguru in Japanese, in the additional of today's newspaper of Friday, July the 17th, 2020. Yes, the last Sudoku of today in the additional. It's a tectonic, and this will be number, let me see, 1178. Yes, number 1178. So let's get started. Do we have here a single box? Yes, I see here a single box. So the single box is always the one. I see here a dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so this should be the 1. I see here a dual box here. 1 is already filled in, so this should be a 2. A triple box I see here. So the 3 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 2 are missing. Let me mark this with another pencil. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. In this area we have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. We have also 2 missing numbers in this area, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark them. 2 and a 3. We have a 5 here. That means these 4 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So these 2 boxes left for the 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I have eliminated the 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, I marked them here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here or could be there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 4. Let me mark them. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have 1 box left in this quadra box. Should be the 3. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be the 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now I have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 1. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the 5. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes there in these 2 boxes, and I have eliminated the 5. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Those are the pairs. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 2 boxes left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes here or there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. And I see here a 2, so this cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in this box. And I have eliminated the 4. The other box should be the 3. The 4 should be here. 1 box left for the 4. This should be the 5. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so 2 boxes left for the 2 should be here or there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 goes here or goes there. I think this box should be the 1. It cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yeah, it should be the 1. 2, 1, 3. No, 2, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 or 4 could be here. Yeah. The 4 and a 3. 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. So it cannot be a 1, 2, 3 and 4 and a 5. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3 or a 4, and cannot be a 5. So it's a 2, definitely a 2. We have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4. The 4 goes in this box or that box. We have a 2 and a 3 here. That means this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So we have a 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3, and this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be the 4, and this should be the 3. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. The 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. Here and there. 1 box left should be the 4. We have a 4 here, that means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 should be here or there. And then 2, 3, 1, 5. Well. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be the 4. 1, 2, 2 or 4 could be here. 1, 2, 3. Wait. This box should be the 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be the 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it should be a 3. That means these two boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 goes together with the 1. The other two should be the 2 and the 4. The 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. I think the 4 should be here. Yeah. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. The 4 should be one of these two. Alright. Let me think. 1, 2. This box should be a 5. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it should be a 5. One or 3. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be the 4, and cannot be a 5. Yeah, it should be the 4. Alright, so we have a 4 now, so these two boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 goes in these two boxes. So we have 3 missing numbers. The 2, we have a 2 here, so the 2 could be here or could be there. 2, 1, 3. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. This box should be the 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it should be the 5. So we have in this area the 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 are missing. 1, 2, 4 are missing. Here cannot be a 2, 2, 2, 4, 4. Here cannot be 1, 1, 1. Alright. Let me think. 1, 2, 3. 1 or 5 should be here. 1 or 5. Cannot be a 2 or 3. Cannot be a 4. So 1 or 5 should be there. Quadrat box. This box cannot be a 1 or a 3. I need a 1 or a 3. Cannot be a 2. The 2 should be there. One of these two boxes, so it should be the 4. This should be a 4. We have a 4 here, so these two boxes cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 2. The 2 and the 1 are left, and I cannot place the 1 here because I need a 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 1 here. That means this box cannot be a 1. The 1 goes in these two boxes. One box left should be the 3. This box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 3 and this should be a 1. We have a 3 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 1 are left in this area. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 2. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. One box left for the 1 should be there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 2. I have here 1 or 5. I already have a 1, so this should be the 5. 2 and 3, we have a 3 here, so this should be a 2 and this should be the 3. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 3. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, great Tectonic. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Only if you like, only if you want. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you the next time. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye, folks. See you soon.